After driving the Eastern Sierras, the long Nevada desert, and almost running out of gas, and then arriving to my destination bed at 3 a.m.,
less than 30 minutes from my destination.
Waking up only 6 hours later had me very exhausted. But there was absolutely no time to be tired because I had to get up and then pack only what I needed for 1 week. I didn't think through the consequences clearly when I offered to unpack my whole vehicle after having just packed it, having to haul it up the stairs, and then only packing for a week, and then picking up 2 adults and a baby with a lot of stuff. Then, after packing on the way to pick them up, reminders to drive safe. So, we put a whole lot more in before we finish. And we fit 4 humans in too. So yeah, crazy. As we drove up into the mountains of Idaho, overhead we saw a peregrine falcon with a fish hanging out of his mouth, taking it back to the nest full of babies. But that wasn't all. We turned the corner and bam! Right there in the middle of the marsh, feasting on the grasses, was a full-grown moose. This was the very first moose that any of us had ever seen in Idaho. Such a magical moment. We stood there watching in a trance.
Look, the moose sees us. Yeah, I'm taking a video right now. That's pretty cool.
He's doing a little splish splash to cool down because it's a hot day. He's being in the water to cool down.
Well, I think he probably eats the vegetation there too. Oh, he's very alert with every car that goes by.
Yeah.
It's crazy how his back is like so bent.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah. I do not think he's little.
I don't think so, yeah.
I think his legs are fully submerged in like 4 to 5 feet of water.
It really is something exquisite to see a moose in the wild.
Well, that's because they shed them every year,
Yeah,
and
and
it's
then in
early
spring
in the
they
year.
regrow it.
Moose are able to regrow their antlers every year, and they shed them in the fall. That's why you'll see a lot of moose antlers in decor.
That's cool.
And the bird!
That's a moose. Yeah.
To see wildlife on day 1, rams, and now a moose and a peregrine falcon on day 2. This is already shaping up to be one of the most incredible journeys ever. We finally arrived at the meetup, and our uncle treated us all to pizza in his homemade oven. What a great end to a great second day. And trust me, the wildlife spotting does not stop on day 2.